This is Sandy at the Heart, and I am here to share my Easter gifts for everybody that I'm doing for my nieces and nephews and my children. I totally knocked over this foil thing that I want to fix because I don't want to ruin my foil. So I think that the lunch sack is a I think it gets a bad rap. I mean, I think it's a really cheap and inexpensive way to package a gift, okay? And so I'm going to show you how this is just a regular old lunch sack. And I just didn't have a lot of packaging, so I kind of made my own. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed a random stencil, and I had this very small, like this size, of the Solar Paste Gold that I had gotten as a little freebie gift from scrapbook.com. And I actually ended up using the whole jar of it. And I just put it down on the lunch sack. I just spread it down there. It's pretty thick, actually. I spread it down pretty thick. That's why I got out of it, because I did 7 bags. And so I'll show you what we're going to be doing. This is what we're going to be doing. I'll even show you what I'm going to put inside of it. So that's what I did. I let it dry couple of days because I was busy doing other things. And then I basically just took one of my dies that I have that does grass. And so these are all the same. And I think what's nice about when you do it like assembly line, it definitely is a much faster. It went by pretty quick. I was surprised how quick it went because, you know, I did everything pretty much the same. So I just cut some grass using a die from my stash. I mean, you have a punch. I probably have a punch somewhere. Actually, I don't know why I'm using my glue, because I actually used, for this one, to go over the paste, you actually might want to use some double-sided tape. So that's, sorry, everything's spilling all over the place. So that's what I did, actually, is I used double-sided tape, because I forgot that on the texture paste, it might not stick really well. So, and they're going to rip into this. That's why it's like, you might as well just do packaging like this. It's cute and inexpensive. So I used, I had it out, but I must have put it somewhere. This is the Sunny Studio Big Bunny. And I absolutely love this bunny. So they have a little die in that little bunny thing that cuts the arms, so you can open up the arms. And so I just put a little bit of glue underneath it just so it kind of sticks down. And then for the girls, I did the little bow. And I did very simple coloring on her. I mean, all I did was do an outline. And I'll show you the one that I did for Tyler, because the boy's color is, I did gray. So you can just see a little bit of a difference. And then I just did double-sided tape, because I just think that I keep knocking it over. I did double-sided tape because when you stick things to the paste, you know, the dried up paste, sometimes it doesn't do it very well. So anyway, you can decide how you want to do it, but I found that the double-sided tape was easier. So I just put that down, boom, like that. And then to customize it, I used a die in my stash. In this case, this is Henry's Alphabet from Lawn Fawn, but many of us have it. You could even use a stamp instead. And so this is for Lily. It's my daughter, actually. So funnily, I just randomly grabbed these because I have these all done. There's a Bradley, a Cameron, a Kayla, and I had just randomly grabbed. I already knew that I was going to do like Lily on camera because she has the shortest name out of everybody. We have a Leah too. Her name's pretty short. But I just randomly grabbed another one to show you like the difference between the boy and the girl one, and it's my son Tyler. Even though there's my nephews I could have picked, but I didn't. I grabbed his. So then you just personalize it with a name. You could even take a pen and write their name. I've done that before. So you don't have to do anything crazy. Now you could tie it with ribbon. You can make it super amazing. I'm not going to do So they each got gummy clusters. The boys got blue packages. The girls got pink. And then we're all taking a family trip to Europe this summer. And these are collapsible water bottles. So they're collapsible and basically easy to store. And then when we're going out and about, they can fill them up with water and they can carry their own freaking water. Because when I went to Colorado with my kids, I was the one who carried everybody's water, and they just shared one water bottle. It was pretty annoying. So I got them for everybody. I thought that was kind of a fun sort of gift. Okay, so then you put it all, package it all up. Now for me, I am keeping it very simple, and I am using a stapler. And I'm just stapling it, but closed. That's it. Stapling it. I have no shame. I don't care. Because it's going to get ripped open anyways. So this is, and then here's the one for Tyler. His is the only one that's different with the candy. He got gummy bears. He doesn't like the gummy clusters. But you can see, you know, what his looks like. I did blue. I did a little bit different. They don't have a bow in the hair. And it was super easy. It took an afternoon to make. I made 7 of them because I have 2 children. I have 2 nieces, 2 nephews, and my son's girlfriend. So I made 7 of them. And they're all the same. So anyway, just some ideas for quick and easy packaging. This is also really great for birthdays. I mean, if you got something and you got to quickly, you know, it's not a big gift and you got to pop it in something. I have used lunch bags that I decorate, and everybody loves them because I personalize it with their name and it's original, and sometimes you just don't have time to get a bag. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.